Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another DIY. Today's video is about how to replace a crankshaft position sensor on this E90 2008 BMW 328i. This car is giving me a P0335 and P1727 error code, and the P0335 is the crankshaft position sensor, while the P1727, according to my Google search, it's related to crankshaft position sensor as well. I'm using a flathead screwdriver here to release the clamp holding the wire loom at the bottom. Remove the two bolts holding the cabin filter tray. Remove the tray by lifting up and pull it towards you. Next is to remove the snorkel and the airbox. Unhook the MAP sensor. Be very careful not to break the tab. Loosen the hose clamp. Relocate the power steering fluid reservoir to create more space. Press the tab and pull it down. You don't have to do this, but I just want to create more space. Unhook the battery cable. Remove the bracket. Keep in mind that the new sensor doesn't come with O-ring and the 18 bolt. You have to order them separately. I will put a link in the description below. Anything you buy from FCP comes with a lifetime replacement guarantee. Go ahead and check them out. This is my setup to remove that 18 bolt. I used a 3/8-inch ratchet and two long extensions, and I put a swivel adapter at the end and E10 socket. That's the sensor, held down by one E10 aluminum bolt. The sensor is stuck to the engine, so I use a pry bar to loosen it. Once it's loose, I use the long nose pliers to grab the sensor out of the hole. This is where I put my hand through to grab the wire from the sensor. It's pretty tight squeeze in there. I'm glad I have small arms. You need a small flathead screwdriver to remove the sensor. It's okay if you break it. You're replacing the sensor anyway. As you can see here, the O-ring is missing. It got stuck in the engine. I'll get the O-ring using this pick tool. Got it. Use some kind of lubricant before installing the new sensor. Make sure you push it all the way in. Try this trick. It really works. I use my pry bar tool to guide the bolt into the hole. Once the bolt is in the hole, hand tighten it first. Don't go over 6 foot-pound or you will snap the bolt. Reinstall the bracket. Reinstall the battery cable. You should hear a click when it's locked in. Reinstall the airbox. Tighten the hose clamp. Reinstall the MAF sensor. Reinstall the snorkel. Reinstallation of the tray is the reverse order of removal. Make sure to erase all the codes. That's it guys. If you like this DIY, please like, comment and subscribe. There's more DIYs to come. See you in the next video and thanks for watching. Later.